See here, you have this question now. Modulus of mod x plus 1 is equal to 4. How to solve this one? Modulus of x minus mod of x minus 2 is equal to 6. How to solve this? How to solve these questions? Now I am going to explain the questions on this mode. So what you do here, this is the modulus symbols, right? So now I am treating this total is something x and the modulus. This total I am treating as something x. Mod x is equal to a. What is the formula? Mod x is equal to a. When x is equal to a, if mod x is equal to a, I can write x is equal to a r minus a. X is equal to a r, x is equal to minus a. Mod x is equal to a, we can write x is equal to a r minus a. Same way, mod of mod 4 can be written as how? This can be written as mod of x plus 1 is equal to 4r mod of x plus 1 is equal to minus 4. As already I told you, mod of anything negative is no solution here. No solution. We can say pi. Now, mod of x plus 1 equal to 4. Now, you can open this modulus symbol, then I get as x plus 1 is equal to 4r. X plus 1 is equal to minus 4. It means x is equal to 4 minus 1, that is x is equal to 3. X is equal to minus 4 minus 1, x is equal to minus 5. So the answer is, finally the answer is x is equal to 3 comma minus 5 comma 3. This is your final answer. Let us see this question here. Mod of x minus x mod is equal to 6. So how to do this one? Mod of x minus 2 modulus is 6. So what we do here, the same thing I said, just I use the same condition here what I said. This whole thing I consider as x. The whole thing under the modulus I consider as x. So x minus mod of x minus 2. This whole value will be 6 once, or x minus mod of x minus 2. This whole value will be minus 6 once. Once it is plus 6, once it will be minus 6. So I already informed you this x, if I send that sign, what I am getting here, mod of x minus 2 is equal to minus 6 minus x. Okay, this x I am sending that side. Okay, minus x. So mod of x minus 2 is equal to, if I take minus common, I will get a 6 plus x. So this minus minus gets cancelled. Mod of x minus 2 is equal to, you got 6 plus x. Now the same way here we do here. Mod of x minus 2 is equal to 6. I send this plus 6 plus x this side, that is minus x. So mod of x minus 2 is equal to take the minus common. So I get as x, this is becomes positive, this is becomes negative when I take the minus common. And this minus minus gets cancelled. Mod of x minus 2 is equal to x minus 6. So what happened here, this question, mod of x minus mod x minus 2 is equal to 6. This is, you have once plus 6 and once minus 6. And what I have taken this plus 6 plus x I had sent that side. Here this plus x I sent that side. Minus I took common. Minus minus gets cancelled. Mod of x minus 2 is equal to 6 plus x. And the same thing here, plus x and that side minus x. Took the minus common. Minus minus cancelled. Mod of x minus 2 is equal to this. According to the rule here, I am explaining this part. Okay, I am explaining this part. This part can be written as what can I use here? So I am explaining this part. I am explaining here this part. That is, mod of something is equal to something is there, that will be open once plus once minus. So what I get here, x minus 2 will be equal to this mod opening this one. I just write here x minus 2 is equal to x minus 6 once positive, or x minus 2, this modulus I am opening with once negative, x minus 6. Hope you understand. Once I wrote with positive sign and another time I wrote with is negative sign, that is minus of x minus 6. So once we are opening with positive sign and once with negative sign. See here this x is there, no? This plus and this x will be cancelled out. So from here no solution, because this minus 2 is equal to minus 2, this cancel, 2 is equal to 6, no solution here. No solution here. See here this side you get as what you get here, x minus 2. X minus 2 is equal to here minus x minus into minus plus 6. So if I simplify minus into x minus into minus plus 6. Send this plus 6 this side and plus minus x this side. X plus x is equal to, send this minus to that side, plus 2. So 2x is equal to 8. X is equal to 4. See, whenever you are watching this video, please keep the headphone and watch it. Otherwise, the voice will not be clear. Disturbance is there outside, so I cannot, you will get disturbance. So that is the reason, keep the headphones and listen to the class. So you get here x is equal to 4 is the answer. Here is no solution is the answer. So x is equal to 4 is the solution for this case. Now let us go for this case. Okay, let us solve this question. Mod of x minus 2 is equal to, you have 6x plus 6 x. So you have to solve this question. Okay, let us see here. So everyone must and should write the classwork notes. Do the screenshot and write the notes. And after opening the college, I will check your notes. This side one, this one we will solve. Mod of x minus 2 is equal to, you have here 6 plus x. According to this rule, what I get here, the modulus will open once positive, once negative. So this will be mod of x minus 2 will be once x plus 6, or another time x minus 2 is equal to minus of x plus 6. The modulus will open once positive, once negative. So here send the x this side, x gets cancelled. And the minus 2 is equal to 6. You have here minus 2 is equal to 6. This is false. So no solution from this side. Let us go from this side. X minus 2 is equal to minus 6 minus into plus minus x. Send the x this side. X plus x is equal to minus 6 plus 2. Transferring this minus x this side, that will be plus. Transferring minus to this side, it will be plus. So 2x is equal to minus 4, then x is equal to minus 4 by 2, that is minus 2. So here from this side you got x is equal to minus 2. From this side you got x is equal to 4. The final answer of this question is x is equal to minus 2 comma 4. This will be your answer. So this is the way to do. So this one you do in the class right now and send me the pic.